Curate's egg. Curate's egg. It's an idiom. It means something that is partly good and partly bad. Something that has both good and bad parts. No, 50-50. 50% good, 50% bad. If that is the case, it is curate's egg. Examples. First one, my favorite hero's latest film is a bit of curate's egg. 50% is good, 50% is bad. Film. That's a little bit of curate's egg. Second one, the film is something of curate's egg. The same thing. Half film is good, half is not good. So, of a curate's egg. Third one, the university is something of curate's egg. Elegant old buildings surrounded by ugly modern architecture. So, old building is good, but surrounded by very bad, ugly, modern architecture buildings are there. That's the reason university is like curate's egg. 50% good, 50% bad. Curate's egg. Fourth one, this book is a bit of curate's egg. So 50% of the book is good and 50 is not so good, bad. That is why it is curate's egg. Fifth one, our vacation was a bit of curate's egg. The first few days were sunny, but the rest of the weeks was ruined by the heavy rain and flooding. So first we enjoyed, that was 50%. First days were good, later lot of rains and heavy floods. So it is 50% good, 50% bad. That's why it's a bit of curate's egg. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, curate's egg, the expression became quite popular because of a cartoon drawn by George du Maurier in Punch magazine in 1895. The cartoon shows a curator and a bishop eating breakfast. The curator unfortunately has been served a bad egg. The bishop remarks, I am afraid you have got a bad egg. Since the curator doesn't want to offend his host, he replies, oh no, my lord, I assure you, parts of it are excellent. So from this cartoon, curate's egg has come into existence. It means partly good, partly bad. That is 50-50%. 50% good, 50% bad.